So here we have the Nissan Note 1.2 Auto Ascenta Premium on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath this tray section even more storage space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. So just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are in great condition, as you can see, and there's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter. We have the speedometer in the middle. And then on the far right-hand side, we have a trip computer that displays the total miles of this car, which are 14,705. It'll also show you what gear the car is currently in, so we're in P for park at the moment. And that middle bit that's flashing at us is to tell us that we're running low on fuel. There is a trip computer there as well. The information up there can be accessed using a button to the right hand side of the steering wheel for various different bits of fuel economy information, as you can see. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we've got cruise control with speed limiter, and on the left hand side we have stereo controls as well as the ability to answer and end phone calls. That is of course once the phone is paired, and that is done using this central screen over here, amongst other things. So first of all, radio wise, this car has got FM and AM radio, both accessed through that button just there. We have a CD player. This car also has auxiliary input, so you can listen to music via auxiliary. So if you give that button a push, it will show you there. At the moment, nothing is connected. If you connect it up and press play on the device, you'll then be listening to your music. We also have satellite navigation in this car as well. There's a full video showing how the satellite navigation works on our website, actually, which is well worth checking out. We've got climate control below that, so you can adjust the temperature with this dial, fan speed, up and down with that one. When you're happy with the temperature, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto, and the car will maintain the temperature for you by adjusting the fan speed itself. You can then readjust the fan speed to override that. We then have the fully automatic gearbox. We have a button to put the car into eco mode, so the gearbox will be more economical, therefore the car will be more economical as well. And we've got the deadlock button there, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.